Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today I am redoing this tutorial for this Picasso flower granny square. Stay tuned for my next tutorial to see how I put them all together into a blanket. I've also uploaded a right-handed and left-handed tutorial so you can check that all out on my channel. I'm using Ice Yarn's Picasso for the granny squares that I designed with a 6.5mm crochet hook. Thank you so much to Ice Yarn for sending me this yarn. I also have affiliated links in my description below which helps me out a lot. I purchased this yarn before they sent it to me and I am so in love with it. It's so soft and snuggly, perfect for a blanket. I'd love to make a jumper out of it too someday. So start off with a slip knot, chain 5 and then slip stitch into the first chain to make a loop. Chain 2 and make a 2 insert puff stitch. So you want to yarn over, go into the loop, pull up your yarn and pull it up high. Yarn over again, go into the loop, pull up your yarn and match that height. Yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 1 and make 7 more puff stitches with 1 chain in between to make a total of 8 puff stitches and 8 chain 1 spaces. Make sure to crochet over the tail end so we can pull the loop tight after round 1. After your 8th puff stitch, chain 1, we're going to join and finish round 1 by slip stitching into the second stitch or the stitch directly above the first puff stitch. Then you want to pull on the tail end to close the gap. To start round 2, we're going to go into that first chain space with a beginning double crochet, which is a single crochet, chain 1. Finish the first cluster with a 3 insert cluster stitch, so yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through all 4. Chain 2. Now make 7 regular 4 insert cluster stitches in all the chain spaces with chain 2 in between for a total of 8 cluster stitches and 8 chain 2 spaces. After your 8th cluster stitch, chain 2, we're going to join and finish round 2 by slip stitching into the second stitch, or the stitch just after the first cluster stitch. For round 3, make a beginning double crochet in that first chain space, make 1 double crochet, then make 2 triple crochets, then make 2 more double crochets, and that's our first petal. You don't chain in between the petals, so go straight into the next chain space with 2 double crochets, 2 treble crochets, 2 double crochets. Repeat this into each chain space for a total of 8 petals. The written pattern will be in the description box below, so you can follow along there as well. To finish round 3 and start round 4, we're going to make a beginning double crochet in the previous beginning double crochet. To find that stitch, I usually count all of the 6 stitches of the petal. So make a single crochet, chain 1. This acts as our half double crochet. Then you want to chain an extra 2, go in between 2 petals with a single crochet, chain 2, and in between the next 2 petals we're going to place 2 half double crochets, chain 2 to make the corner, and 2 more half double crochets in that same space. Chain 2, single crochet in between the next petals, chain 2, make another corner in between the next 2 petals with 2 half double crochets, chain 2, 2 more half double crochets in between the same space, chain 2, single crochet again in between the next 2 petals, chain 2, make another corner in between the next 2 petals, so 2 half double crochets, chain 2, 2 more half double crochets in the same space, chain 2, single crochet in between the next 2 petals, chain 2. Now we're on the 4th and last corner that we started the round on, so make 2 half double crochets, chain 2, and then just 1 half double crochet, then join with a slip stitch into the beginning half double crochet. Chain 1 to fasten off. Pull each petal out, and I like to flip it and straighten out the last round at the back as well, and you are done! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Please let me know if you use my Picasso Flower Granny Square design in any of your projects. I'd love to hear about them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one for the full blanket tutorial. Have a lovely day and happy crocheting! Bye!